Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change DPI on Redmi 13C device. DPI dots per inch on Android refers to the size of the screen resolution in pixel per inch. DPI is used to measure the pixel density on the screen of an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First of all, you can visit the settings menu. And then here you can choose about font option. And then you can click on version number 7 times to activate developer option. If so, here you can exit. And then you can go to the additional settings. And then here you can find developer options. And then here you can scroll down until you find the small speed option. Okay, and then here you can change the DPI of your device as needed. It is important to note that changing the DPI of an Android device incorrectly can affect the appearance and performance of the app. Therefore, it is recommended to be careful when changing DPI settings and ensure compatibility with the application used. That's the tutorial on how to change DPI on Redmi 13C device. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.